And this is our Cat 730C 2021 plate with 3,178 hours. Been owned from new, single owner machine, maintained on a Cat service contract, so service as and when required to Cat spec. See the rear camera there? It's obviously accessible from inside the cab. Does have amber and green beacons, so you are up to date on side safety, etc. Machine does come with pretty standard Cat features such as auto tip in bed, etc. Work lights will be LED. It's a lovely machine, ready to go. Onto the inside now. As you can see, seats, both primary and passenger, are in great condition. Seat is heated and cooled, perfect for all weathers. You see there, 3,178 hours. Display over to your right, showing the load, and also the rear camera on this 730. Lovely spec machine, very, very nice. Heated controls and radio up there, does have AC as well. Heated mirrors, which is full spec.